we're taking a look at the major averages out of the open. We've got the NASDAQ composite at least up here on the screen for you. That is down by about 0.2% out of the gate here. I'm going to try and rejigger just so we get this populated. And even if not, we can take a look at the heat map here and we'll get a look at the Dow components just to see how things are starting off early on in today's session. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, largely most of the components in the red on the day. One significant mover to the downside as of right now, Travelers Companies, that's down 0.7%, biggest laggard in the Dow. However, Walgreens Boots Alliance, which we're going to break down in just a little bit, that is higher by about 2.6%. We'll come back to that, give you some more of the deets on that. You've got also Visa, Nike, two of the outperformers there, but just fractional gains there. And then the NASDAQ, you're seeing that largely, well, it's kind of mixed on the day, actually. About as split as you can get, at least on first eye's glance here. But taking a look at some of the biggest movers here, just to put that back on the mega cap scale here, where that's outsized on the market cap side. You've got Apple, that's down by about 0.25%. Microsoft and Google also in the red. Amazon, you're seeing that flat just barely to the upside. And for the Tesla investors out there, you're seeing some declines out of the gate here on the day. Lastly, we'll check in on the S&P 500, 11 sectors. You're relatively, well, actually, you've only got about 3 gainers right now. Staples seems to be one of those out of the gate this morning. You're seeing that up by about 0.2% on the sector perspective. However, real estate, that is down by about 0.9% right now. And so we'll continue to track this. Overall, the average is lower by about 0.25% right now, early in today's trade activity.
Yeah, we've had some rockiness in real estate as of late, so it looks like that's continuing.